definitely. Oh, well, I guess just I can tell you from experience that some of the most powerful moments of my education as a homeschooled student were when my mom took her hands off the reins and she said, pick out whatever you want in the library. I'm going to be over here. I've got my latte and I'm reading. Or we grew up, we had a giant backyard and my brother and I would go out and just mess around and we dug holes to catch rabbits because that was we thought they were going to fall in a hole and we would have a pet rabbit. And then we'd come back and tell her about it. So basically it was just a really idyllic childhood. And I think that's what your children will remember. Yeah. And it's a gift that you can give them that they're not getting in public school.
Yeah. It's just that ability to explore and play and learn. And again, that free play. So important. And that's really cool that you say those are the things you remember the most.
Yes, for sure.
And you probably hinged a lot of your learning on those experiences when you were learning things out of books. And we don't often think about how just fundamentally important those are for the foundation of our child's learning. Is those experiences. We often think, well, if we just can get caught up and get to the right reading level, it doesn't just happen that way usually.
And I would tell parents who are concerned about getting caught up and who are concerned about losing track, this generation's all going to have gaps because of the pandemic. Your child is going to be just as well equipped as, if not more so, than kids going to public school. And you are trying your best. And if you're present, the kids are going to be having a wonderful educational experience and they'll thank you for it when they grow up.
We hope and pray that.
Yeah, right.
But it's nice to hear from somebody who's been there, done that. You know, my kids have mixed. Well, most of them.
I think that's pretty common as well. I give my mom a hard time about it. Yeah. If I misspell something, I'm like, well, who taught me how to spell?
Right. Okay, that makes me feel better.
Yes. No, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. It's a lot of sarcasm.
Yes, exactly. We teach our kids how to argue their points and be really good at those types of things, and then we get upset that they argue with us.
Right. That's like I can't get on with my daughter for getting a little bit of an attitude, just a little bit. I'm like, well, that's how I talk to her. So really,
yep, exactly.
I got to change if I don't like that.
Yes, because your kids will copy you, and then you go, "Oh my goodness, where did they learn that from?" Yes, exactly. So good. So yeah, Fonda said, "Yes, I've been binge watching those that apply. Fortunate for this time while my kids are with their grandparents, learning more compassion for my kids to go at their pace."